Immerse yourself in a world where science, technology, and health intertwine. Welcome to the clinical research industry, a rapidly evolving sector that is making waves globally. This dynamic industry is experiencing a period of unprecedented growth, fueled by advances in science and technology that are pushing the boundaries of what's possible in healthcare. Within this landscape, new medical treatments and pharmaceutical drugs are being developed at a breathtaking pace. From innovative therapies for chronic illnesses to groundbreaking drugs designed to combat the world's deadliest diseases, the clinical research industry is at the forefront of medical progress. This steady stream of innovation is not just a product of scientific curiosity, but also a response to a global health landscape that is changing rapidly. The world's population is aging, and with age comes a higher risk of chronic diseases. From heart disease and diabetes to cancer and neurodegenerative disorders, these conditions are becoming more prevalent worldwide. As a result, the demand for clinical trials to test new treatments is skyrocketing. These trials provide the crucial link between scientific discovery and real-world medical practice, ensuring that innovative treatments are safe and effective before they reach the patients who need them most. But the impact of the clinical research industry extends beyond the development of new treatments and drugs. It also plays a vital role in improving our understanding of health and disease, helping to shape public health strategies and inform healthcare policy. It's a sector that touches every aspect of health and well-being, from individual patient care to global health initiatives. The global landscape of clinical trials has spread far and wide, making significant strides in every corner of the world. From the United States to emerging markets like China, India, Russia, and Brazil, the reach of clinical research is truly global. As the industry continues to grow and evolve, it promises to bring us closer to a future where better health is within everyone's reach. The clinical research industry isn't just about scientific progress. It's about creating a healthier world for us all. The clinical research industry is not contained within the borders of any one country. It's a global phenomenon reaching out to emerging markets with promising potential. In fact, the United States leads the pack, conducting around 40% of all clinical trials worldwide. This is a testament to the substantial investments made in biomedical research and development within the country. But the story doesn't end there. Beyond the shores of the U.S., many emerging markets are witnessing a surge in clinical trial activity. Countries like China, India, Russia, and Brazil, with their massive patient pools, are becoming highly attractive locations for multinational drug companies to test new treatments. So why this shift? The answer lies in the investments these countries are making in healthcare infrastructure, their adoption of advanced information technologies, and enhancements in regulatory frameworks. These factors are encouraging rapid clinical trial growth in these regions. China, for instance, with its vast population and evolving healthcare system, offers a fertile ground for clinical trials. Similarly, India, with its diverse genetic pool and high disease burden, presents an ideal location for testing a range of new therapies. Russia, with its streamlined regulatory processes, and Brazil, with its focus on improving public health, are also becoming hotspots for clinical research activity. This global expansion of clinical trials is not just about locations, it's about reaching out to diverse patient populations, understanding different disease patterns, and ultimately, developing treatments that are effective across varied genetic and environmental profiles. Thanks to these emerging markets, clinical trials are experiencing a global renaissance, opening doors to new treatments and therapies. With the expansion of clinical trials comes an increased demand for professionals skilled in the field of clinical research. The global scale of clinical trials has opened a plethora of job opportunities, with roles such as clinical research associates, clinical data managers, medical writers, clinical trial coordinators, and biostatisticians being in high demand. Clinical research associates, or CRAs, are the backbone of any clinical trial. They ensure that the trial is conducted in strict compliance with the study protocol and that data collected from patients is accurate and reliable. They are the connection between the research site and the sponsor, making their role crucial in the successful execution of a clinical trial. On the other hand, clinical data managers are responsible for the collection, integration, and validation of clinical trial data. They work closely with other members of the research team to ensure that the data is clean and ready for analysis. This role requires a keen eye for detail and strong organizational skills. Medical writers are the storytellers of clinical research. They compile, write, and edit medical writing deliverables covering all phases of clinical research for submission to regulatory agencies. It's their role to communicate complex medical information in a clear and concise manner. Clinical trial coordinators, also known as study coordinators, handle the logistics of the trial, from patient recruitment to maintaining study documentation and reporting adverse events. They play a pivotal role in ensuring the smooth operation of the trial. Biostatisticians, last but not least, are the analytical minds in clinical research. They design and analyze the results of clinical trials, making sense of the numbers and helping to determine the safety and efficacy of the new treatment. Having an advanced certification in clinical research, like the Certified Clinical Research Professional, or CCRP credential, can significantly boost one's career prospects in this burgeoning field. This certification demonstrates expert-level knowledge in core areas such as medical science, clinical trial operations, drug development processes, good clinical practice, and regulatory compliance. The demand for clinical research professionals is on the rise, and the opportunities are vast and varied. This surge in demand is a testament to the importance of clinical research in advancing healthcare and a call to those who wish to make a significant impact in the field. The United States, a leader in clinical trials, is expected to see significant growth in the field of clinical research in the coming years. Stepping into the heart of the matter, the Bureau of Labor Statistics anticipates a growth rate of over 15% in jobs for clinical research coordinators and managers over the next decade. This projected growth rate is notably faster than the average across other occupations. The primary propellers of this demand are the rising pharmaceutical research and development expenditures and robust government funding for medical research. These factors are creating a fertile ground for advancements in clinical research, thus driving the need for skilled professionals in the field. In addition, the emergence of cutting-edge technologies such as artificial intelligence and big data analytics is expected to further fuel the demand. The ability to harness these tools to make clinical trials more efficient and effective is becoming a sought-after skill in the industry. The development of oncology drugs, gene therapies, precision medicines, and orphan drugs for rare diseases are among the key growth areas in clinical research. These complex and innovative areas of study require a high level of expertise and specialized knowledge. Consequently, American companies and research institutions are increasingly seeking professionals with a Certified Clinical Research Professional or CCRP certification. These certified professionals can demonstrate a wide-ranging expertise in clinical trial planning, management, and analysis, making them invaluable assets in this rapidly evolving landscape. In summary, the future of clinical research in America is not just about growth in numbers. It's about advancements in technology, innovations in treatment, and a growing demand for highly skilled professionals. The future of clinical research in America is bright, promising a myriad of opportunities for those ready to step into this exciting field. Europe, a key player in the global clinical trials landscape, has seen a surge in activity in the clinical research industry. Over the past decade, the clinical trials industry in Europe has flourished, with countries such as the United Kingdom, Germany, Spain, and France leading the charge. Together, these nations account for more than a third of global clinical trial expenditure, demonstrating Europe's substantial contribution to the advancement of medical science. The driving force behind this remarkable growth is multifold. For starters, Europe benefits from a robust healthcare infrastructure and rigorous regulatory frameworks that uphold the highest standards of safety and efficacy. This solid foundation is coupled with a rich diversity in patient demographics, making it an attractive destination for multinational drug companies to conduct their trials. Moreover, Europe's commitment to innovation in the healthcare sector has spurred the development of cutting-edge technologies such as artificial intelligence and big data analytics. These advancements are not only revolutionizing the way clinical trials are conducted, but also driving the demand for specialized talent who can harness these tools to make clinical trials more efficient and effective. A notable area of growth in Europe is the development of precision medicines, gene therapies, and treatments for rare diseases. These cutting-edge medical solutions necessitate rigorous testing through clinical trials, further driving the expansion of the industry in Europe. As the clinical trials industry in Europe continues to thrive, so does the demand for clinical research professionals. From clinical research associates and data managers to medical writers and biostatisticians, the opportunities are vast and varied. And for those with an advanced certification in clinical research, the career prospects are even more promising. As Europe continues to make strides in clinical research, the demand for clinical research professionals is set to soar, promising a rewarding career for those who dare to step into this dynamic industry.